Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Yoba TV. If you're new here, you're welcome. Kindly click that subscribe button on your screen, like, comment, and share this program. Mo rí update kan ni táwọn ọmọ warrior team tó ṣe fún Alabike. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá ti rí, ẹ máa rí pé Alabike gbé errand service ẹ̀ jáde. Pé ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá wà ní diaspora and tẹ́ bá fẹ́ run errand, àbí you're a busy mom, you're a professional, and you need somebody to help you run errand within Nigeria, you should call a number. Mo ti gbé sórí kíní wa, gbogbo yín lẹ ti máa rí. I've seen a lot of people like it as well. And for me, left to me, I feel like Alabike is a loving person, regardless of whatever it is. She's a genuine person. She's a loving person. And I don't think that she has any hidden agenda. She's just a single mother trying to feed her children. Do you understand? So I feel like Alabike any problem. Do you understand? She's just trying to feed her children. She's a single mother. So I feel people should patronize her. But okay, mo wá rí àwọn ọmọ jagunjagun tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n jáde síbẹ̀ pé ẹ má patronize ẹ o, ó máa ṣe kíní kan ó lè ní o, because I want to understand what your problem is. I just want to understand what is you people's problem. Ẹ ti sọ pé kó lè sá o ti sá, ẹni kó ju tọwọ́ ẹ̀ lẹ́ o ti jùlẹ̀, kí lẹ ṣe fẹ́ kó lè ní, kí lẹ fẹ́ kó ṣe. The issue that transpired between ọ̀gá yín àti Alabike is as a result of kò ṣiṣẹ́ fọ̀gá yín torí ọ̀gá yín fẹ́ máa lò ó bí irinṣẹ́ àlòpatì tó fi gbogbo yín ṣe tó jẹ́ pé woman kan àwọn tó ń domi lábẹ́ yẹn bó ṣe wà yẹn ìgbà tó parí iṣẹ́ lé lọ́wọ́ license tó fi arúgbó ara tó fi àkwáyà wọ́n gbà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. Kò sẹ́nibọ̀dì tó bá Lizzozo rìn tí ò ní ṣorí ibú. Machine lásán ló gbé fún ọmọ ọlọ́mọ tọmọ ọlọ́mọ sùn kirikiri lé lórí. So now this girl is trying to find her bearing, find her life and everything together. You people are still dragging her. Kò máa ta góòdì, kò ta fabric tó bá yẹ pé yẹn ni ẹ máa sọ pé ọmọ wa copy fashion yín ni, ọmọ wa ṣe kíní, kò tiẹ̀ gbé machine, kò tiẹ̀ lo anything machine. And I think this errand thing is a common thing in Nigeria because this is the second time I'm seeing something like that. I didn't even know about it before. So Alabike doesn't have any problem. Ẹ̀yin wọ̀wọ́ tí mo lẹ́ ní ṣòro. Ẹ fi ọmọdé ilẹ̀, kí lẹ fẹ́ gbà lẹ́yìn ẹ̀ náà? Expect pé ó máa rí àánú gbà látọ̀dọ̀ àwọn House of TMS. Bọ́lá ṣe kọ́ ti ẹnìyẹn torí pé bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe wà yẹn, ẹ fẹ́ ẹ̀yin ló sá wá bá o. Just imagine how person come meet you, then you now turn to be enemy with the person. Tẹ wá ń gbé ẹni yẹn lọ court. If you are just gone and, tẹ bá sọ pé okay o, Alabike o, since tọrọ wa wọ̀ mọ́, máa lọ tẹ̀ kí mi náà máa lọ tẹ̀mí. Understandable. But ẹ fẹ́ kọ́ lọ́gbọ́n torí pé ẹ mọ̀ pé kò léèyàn, ẹ ti mọ̀ pé kò lólúwa, kò síbi tó fẹ́ sá sí, ẹ fẹ́ kọ́ lọ́gbọ́n. That is why ẹ wá fìyà jẹ rò pé kò sẹ́nibọ̀dì tó kúkú máa gbà á lẹ̀. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe máa ń mú àwọn ọmọ kéékèèké nìyẹn lórí social media. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe mú nìyẹn. Ó wá yà yín lẹ́nu pé ibi téèyàn ò sí, Ọlọ́run bá wà ń bẹ̀ o. Téèyàn bá ká ẹni, Ọlọ́run bá máa tẹ́ rọ́ọ̀gì. Ojú wa tì yẹn sẹ́yìn wá wọlé. You want to victimize her. The plan you guys have for her, especially olórí jagunjagun, plan tó ní fún ọmọ yẹn, tí ó bá ń ṣe ọpẹ́lọpẹ́ Ọlọ́run àtàtìlẹ́yìn àwọn èèyàn ni. Ibo ló tiẹ̀ ti fẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ̀lú àwọn ọmọ kéékèèké tó wà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. Òun nìkan ló ń dá nìkan tọ́jú ọmọ àdágbé àdáfà. Tí ó bá ń ṣe àwọn TMS ni, àwọn Dorcas. In fact, ọmọ yẹn, we have nothing to write home about. Ayé ọ̀tẹ̀ ọba ti dìdàkudà lẹ́ni. But we thank God wípé there's people like Dorcas. She will stand up for you. Alabike ti bú Dorcas dáadáa. So don't even go there pé kíní kan somebody is working for somebody. She's never a friend to Dorcas. Ó ti búra wọn dáadáa. When she was fighting for Auntie Shola pé ó ti bú Dorcas dáadáa dárí kò sí nǹkan tí ó ti fi wé. Àwọn Alabike àti amẹ̀bọ gist gan, wọ́n ti tẹ̀ síra wọn lójú so many times lórí cyber space wáyé. Lórí cyber space wáyé, wọ́n ti tẹ̀ síra wọn lójú. But at the same time, at the end of the day, in fact, gan ìgbà tí Dorcas help Alabike, àwọn amẹ̀bọ gan, wọ́n sọ pé kó má help ẹ jẹ́ kó jẹ́ ìyà bẹ́ẹ̀. jẹ́ kó jẹ́ àbẹ́ I follow my mind ló ṣe lọ kíní kan but at the end of the day people realize that wọ́n kàn fìyà jọ ọmọbìnrin yẹn ní nǹkan tí Lizzy fẹ́ ṣe nìyẹn nǹkan tó try láti ṣe pẹ̀lú Fọlá nìyẹn. She want to use her influence and money to make sure that èèyàn tí ò bá ti lè ní voice, I'm going to deal with you. That is one thing she knows how to do. To deal with people. Mo tẹ̀ tún rí update tó ń gbé síta lẹ́nu ọjọ́ mẹ́ta ètò tó ń sọ pé you people, if you talk about anything, Abuja Lawa, you want people to stop talking about you. It's as simple as you stop talking about people. Period. Nobody will talk about you anymore. You stop cursing on innocent children. Nobody will talk about you anymore. If you know you want out, ó ti sún ẹ̀sìn báyìí, ó ti dé ibi tójú ti tẹ́. Ṣọlá pé ó dé ibi tójú ti tẹ́, ó ti rí pé okay, things are done differently in Abuja compared to Lagos. You think that, okay, I want senator's wife, the one Abuja, and they will be coming to you, forgetting that this is the era of social media. Everything you do on social media stays on social media. You have a high marketplace. Oh, mọ̀ pé ibi tó fẹ́ lọ nìyẹn. You aim for a place bigger. O kọ́kọ́ bà gbogbo character ẹ jẹ́ níbi kékeré tó wà. Ó bà gbogbo ìwà ẹ jẹ́ níbi kékeré tó wà. Ó wá sá lọ sí Abuja wá rí pé ó ti yàtọ̀ ń bí báyìí. The aim tó gbé lọ sí Abuja is not met. Why? Because of who you are. Gbogbo èèyàn ti rí ẹ tán. Now you now want to go out. You don't want anybody. Ta ló ti ráyè tiẹ̀ gan? Lẹ́nu ọjọ́ mẹ́ta kò sẹ́nibọ̀dì tó ráyè tiẹ̀. Ṣé dábàá ni pé gbà tó ti kúrò lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ gan? Gbogbo ẹ̀ ti dá rọ́rọ́rọ́ kò sẹ́nibọ̀dì tó ráyè tiẹ̀ mọ́ náà. Kò sí ìwọ ló tún ganu sẹ́yìn tó ń ganu síwájú. Nobody is even wọn ò mọ̀ bí o lọ, bóyá o kú, bóyá o yè, bóyá o exist, bóyá o exist. Nobody even cares. Wọn ò ti ẹ̀ràn ẹ, wọn ò rí ẹ. Wọ́n á sọ pé anybody tó bá wá fún Abuja náà ń pe bí báyìí ẹni yẹn tó wọlé èlò gan ni tíkẹ́ẹ̀tì ẹ̀ gan. Lizzozo èlò ni tíkẹ́ẹ̀tì ẹ̀? How much is your ticket? Oní kan tó dé Abuja kan tó sanwó mọ́tò tó bá ti jókòó 16 hours èlò ni tíkẹ́ẹ̀tì Abuja pátápátá $100 àbí $200. Àwa òkè ṣáàsọ fáwọn wèrè olórí ẹrú àwọn ọmọ ẹrú òṣì yẹn Zidoggy Láyọ̀ yẹn ló tiẹ̀ máa ń fọ́ nísìnyí because Láyọ̀ she just failed herself. I swear Láyọ̀ ló máa ń fọ́ nísìnyí. Is it not the same Láyọ̀? Láyọ̀ just failed herself by tẹríba. Láyọ̀ tún lọ tẹríba Sunday. Shame on you people. Bullying, using your platform to bully Alabike. Kò sí nǹkan tó ṣe tí ò dá. Ṣé rí tó jáyàn lólè? Ṣọlá pé tẹ̀lé ń tẹ́lẹ̀ dẹ́rẹ̀ oríṣiríṣi èèyàn ló ti jà lólè ló ti lù jìbìtì lórí àwọn tó ń ṣe casting lásán tó ń ṣe fẹ́ǹsì ó lù wọ́n jìbìtì tó ń sì kiri àwọn délé ẹjọ́ court case na water ojoojúmọ́ na fi ń ṣẹjọ́ court case na skin care wọn ò rówó tọ́jú ara wọn mọ́ ẹjọ́ náà ń ṣe every day every time. So that is what I'm talking about. Pé Alabike is still straightforward ara ẹ̀ dẹ̀ balẹ̀. Tẹ́ bá ṣe kínní, she will help you out with anything you need. That is it. She will help you. Ẹ má dá wọn wèrè lóhùn. All they have to do is to destroy. Wọ́n ti sanwó owó okú náà ti san fún wọn. They pay them to destroy anybody that doesn't side them. Alabike doesn't have any issue with them. They had issue with Alabike because they want to be using her to be cursing on Iyabo Ojo and she refused. So that is where the problem started from. So ẹ má dá wọn lóhùn. Ẹ patronize ọmọ yẹn, ọmọ dáadáa ni. Kò dẹ̀ ní gbówó yín sálọ. She's a very, very good girl. And you can see her content. She's managing. So she's not a person. I like her so much. You know, she's a person that knows what she wants. When she kebe. No, she knows what she wants and she knows how to go about it. So Emma down warriors in alone. We alone she won. Feel about the video down below. God bless you. Have a wonderful day. Bye.